Hey everyone, okay, so we're going to do lashes today really up close. So not mascara, lashes. Now, as many of you know, I like to use Lashify, and we're filming this in 4K. Now, Lashify is a system of basically extensions that go underneath the lash line. They're just wonderful. They were and are my favorite product for such a long time, because if you have hooded eyes, these can make a massive difference. Now, I'm going to be using their brand new Starburst lashes. And while I won't go into the whole story of this, to say that I am pleased about these would be an understatement. And this is what they look like. Now, the Starburst lashes here, they have this different levels of longness. So you've got longer lashes with shorter lashes that are interspersed. So they give that fanned out Starburst effect. For those of you who are asking, I have bought some nail stop so I can stop biting my nails, because it's a nasty habit I've had since I was a child, and it's getting out of hand, so I need to deal with it. So I'm going to be using the Whisperlight Flexible Bond, and we're going to zoom in and see how we go. So with this system, what you need to do is, I've got to get this is going to be fun. I've got to get a mirror really close. What you do is you place a bond underneath the lashes. You kind of comb it into the base more than the roots. And then you apply these lashes. They stick underneath. Depending on which bond you use, these could last for, 10 days. And if you're careful and take them off carefully, you can reuse them. So I'm going to use the bond, and I'm going to start underneath the lash. And I'm just kind of placing it at the root mainly. So I'm just sort of dabbing it at that root area more than the tips, because I want them to adhere there. So right at the kind of root, and then just pulling it up a little bit and feathering it in, making sure that these lashes at the outer corner, because I have those lashes at the outside corner that there's one or two really long ones that just will not curl, and they just stick out like that. They're horrid. So we're going to take the lashes and we're going to start to apply them. So you lift it up, you clip it on, make sure it's in place, and you release. Now I'm using a length which is 14, and I'm using, normally I would probably use a 12, but I wanted to use these so you could really see the effect that you can get from these lashes. It can be a bit awkward when you first do this, because the placement can be off, like that one. I need to take that off because that's not working for me. And you see that you get this incredible kind of starburst effect that goes on, that the lashes just look incredible. Now I've still got 3 sets here left. So I could stack some of these on the outside corner or leave them. Now, generally speaking, what I would do here is, you see this inner one, it's a little bit long, and I would use a shorter one, which I think is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this off. That's better. Okay. And now what I need to do is fuse these together by placing the clamp and holding them down, and then releasing them. And the same thing on the inside. You're clamping your own lashes to the fake ones, and you get this incredible starburst effect lash. And why these are so important, especially for hooded eyes, because with hooded eyes, when you have a lash band, the lash band goes across the front of the lid. Any lid space you have, gone, absolutely gone. Because these are underneath, these do not sit on the lid, they sit on the hair underneath. And you lose no lid space. They give you this incredible, beautiful, dramatic look. And I love the Starburst lashes because I think that they just look so pretty. And what we're going to do is we're going to just bond the remaining ones to the outside corner, because let's add some drama to that outside corner. So you're just going to add a little bit more bond underneath, and then we're going to take the lash and you're going to stack it, and it just gives that really amazing. There you go. So that's a stacked version where there are 2 additional ones placed on the outside corner of the eye. Let me zoom out. So you can see that these can give incredibly dramatic results. And if you were to then do your eyeshadow, do a smoky eye, you've got this guideline on this outside corner, so you can actually see that you could wing it out. It's just, Lashify is such an incredible system. And I'm just, remember when I first bought it, I was over the moon with it because it just solved so many issues for me with people with short eyelashes, with hooded eyes. You could just get this great effect. You can then go through the lashes with this product called Glass. I'm not going to bother because I'm going to take this off, but it just kind of separates them and adds a gloss. It's beautiful. There you go. That is lashes in 4K. I just think these are so great because you can just do so many different looks. And if you did nothing else, just put mascara, you don't need mascara, just put lip gloss on or lipstick, a bit of blush, bronzer, whatever, go out. Your eyes are the focus and it's just cool. There's no lash band whatsoever. It's amazing. There you go. Let me know what your thoughts are and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.